Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making duck and wild rice soup. This recipe takes 30 minutes to prep and 2 hours to cook. Serves 8 to 10 and is medium difficulty. Ingredients: 2 mallard carcasses with meat scraps, 1 cup wild rice, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 large onion, 3 carrots, 3 celery stalks, 8 ounces mushrooms, 3 cloves, garlic, 8 cups water, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, ½ cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons fresh parsley, and salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Stock preparation. Place duck carcasses in large pot with water, bay leaves, and thyme. Simmer 1.5 hours, skimming regularly. Step 2. Meat removal. Remove carcasses, cool, and pick any remaining meat. Strain stock through fine mesh strainer. Step 3. Rice cooking. Cook wild rice in 3 cups of duck stock until tender, about 45 minutes. Drain and set aside. Step 4. Vegetable base. Heat butter in Dutch oven. Sauté onion, carrots, and celery until softened, about 8 minutes. Step 5. Mushroom addition. Add mushrooms and garlic. Cook until mushrooms release their liquid and it evaporates. Step 6. Assembly. Add remaining duck stock, cooked wild rice, and pick duck meat. Simmer 20 minutes to blend flavors. Step 7. Finishing. Stir in cream and parsley. Season with salt and pepper to taste. And that's how you make duck and wild rice soup. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.